Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the third puzzle, not in today's newspaper, no, in today's newspaper of Monday, September the 12th, 2022, we have no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the edition of Friday, September the 9th, 2022. And I've already solved two puzzles, the ladder Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku, and it's time now for the cipher block. Yes, in Dutch they call it cipher block, but in English tectonic. Japanese Suguru. Yes, and this will be number 5164. 5164. Yes, 5164. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 printed digits. Well, could be a hard one, could be an easy one, but I think it's an easy one because it's indicated with 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, we will see if this really a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. I see here a single box, there a single box. Single box, always a 1. Then, following question, can we see here the dual boxes? I see here a dual box, there a dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 1 is already filled in, so this box should be a 2. Here also a dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. The 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes here. Well. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Okay, so my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Okay. Do we have only one T shape? Yeah. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Okay. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, another one, but rotated. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Here, another one, mirrored. This box has the same name as that box. Okay, more. No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. Yeah, let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Okay. Well. There's not a lot of paper to draw. Here another one, but upside down. So this box has the same name as that box. Only 2. No. The third one, this box has the same name as that box. More? No. Overlook this one. So this box has the same name as that box. Okay. Overlook this one. Yes. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Well. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes or figures, structures, construction, whatever you name it. I believe one shape is missing because maximum are 6, and in this puzzle we have only 5 of them. The Z, yes, the Z or the S construction is missing. Whatever. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 there. If I place the 1 there, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there, the 1 is supposed to be here. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here, so it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1 is supposed to be here. Alright. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 1, but also that box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1 then. But we already have a 1 here. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1 is supposed to be here. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 there. If I place a 2 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 here. So it's not the solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area and should be there. These 3 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 5 here, because if I place the 5 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5, but we already have a 5 here. So it's not a solution to place the 5 there. The 5 is supposed to be there. Alright. Then this box can be a5, that box can be a5, so one box left for the 5 should be there. These two boxes can be 5, so one box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be 5, so one box left for the 5 should be there. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 5 here. If I place the 5 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5, but we already have a 5 here, so it cannot be a 5 here. It's not the solution to place the 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be here. Alright. This box can be a5, that box can be a5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Two numbers left in this area. 4 numbers, 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. One box left in this area for number 3, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. So two numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Two boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Yeah. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then I think these two boxes can be 2, so one box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Then well, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so one box left for the 2 should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, let me mark those. 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4. Okay. Then, here 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay, that means that this box, wait. 4 and 5, I think this box will be a no. Okay. Complicated now. Come on. 3 and 4. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there, can be 4. We have a double 4 there, so definitely a 5 now. Okay, 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 3, 4. Need a 2. 2, 3, 4. Well, come on, 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. I need a 2. This gonna be a 3. Here could be a 3. Alright, let me think. Need a 2 here. 2. I'm stuck. Cannot believe this. Cannot believe this. Well, this box can be 1, could be a 2, could be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5, 2 or 3, okay. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. This box can be a 3. So this box should be 2 or a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 4, but we already have a 4 there, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 2, and it's connected with that box, should be also a 2. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. Okay, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3, and the final number in this area for the number 3. Finished in 60 minutes. Wow, a little bit slower than I expected. Faster than 50 minutes. Well, let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, let me give this a 2 stars. Need to think a lot at the end. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, a playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the samurai Sudoku, aka quintuplet, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. Yes, we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.